You can configure scheduled downtime windows in Statseeker to prevent those maintenance periods from affecting SLA reports or triggering alerts when devices become unreachable. Maintenance windows are configured from the Admin tool. Under Alerting and Event Management, select Event Management. What we're going to do is suppress device down events from being created for the devices that will be pulling offline, and this will prevent those events from triggering alerts or impacting any SLA configurations which target those devices. Select Add Discard Filter, give the filter a name. The selected event type determines what type of events are going to be suppressed. You can select from device or interface level events, syslog or trap messages, or any of your configured thresholds. For our purposes, we'll select ping down events. I'm going to restrict the filter to just those devices that will be offline for maintenance by setting the relevant group filter. And I'll add a time filter for the maintenance period. It will be occurring after hours on Thursday. I can run the filter against the events database to see if there are any existing events that would have been filtered out by this rule. This is just so we can see if we have our filters configured correctly. And we can save the rule. After the maintenance period, we can return to the Admin tool and disable the event filter until it is needed.